Panagdait sa Dios, sa tanan ug sa tanang kabuhatan. So, my report is all about Gardner's multiple intelligences. So, I am Mr. Theodore Piubas Jr. and let's start our report. So, first is who is Howard Earl Gardner? So, Mr. Howard Earl Gardner is an American psychologist in Harvard University. So, he is the one who founded or who created the multiple intelligence theory, which consists of people who are not just intelligent or smart in one area, but on other areas as well. So here are the types of intelligence. So first is spatial, second, naturalist, musical, logical, mathematical, existential, interpersonal, bodily kinesthetic, linguistic, interpersonal, and spatial. So first is linguistic or word smart. So here it is said that it is the ability to use language effectively, such as reading, writing, speaking, and understanding complex language structure. So kani sila kay mga kani sila in type of people nga kanang maayo sila when it comes to kuan in terms of creating sentences or kanang ilang forte is reading and writing or language in general. So then para sa sila dili pud ingon nga lisod mo sabot dayon og mga language structures or sentences even though ang mga words or jargons kay kuan kanang complicated. So next is logical mathematical. So diri it is said that it is an ability in logical reasoning, problem solving, and abstract thinking, often associated with mathematical skills. So meaning maayo sila numbers dayon aside pud ana kay maayo sila mo create or propose og kanang mga solutions when it whenever na problem nga moabot sa ilaha. Next, spatial or picture smart. It is the ability to perceive and manipulate visual information, including spatial reasoning, visualization, and artistic expression. So, meaning, kani sila, kay mga maayo sila, ang ilang forte, kay arts, kay maayo man sila mo visualize o mo picture out og mga images or ideas. Next, bodily kinesthetic or body smart. Ability to use one's body skillfully, including physical coordination, dexterity, and expression through movement. So, kani sila kay mga maayo ni sila mosayaw, maayo sila sa sports, kay maayo sila mogamit silang lawas. Next, kay music smart. Ability to perceive, create, and appreciate music, including rhythm, pitch, and melody. So, kani sila kay mga maayo ni sila mo create og mga tono or music and as well as kana magsulat og mga kuan mga kanta then i-combine nila sa ilang gi-create nga pitch ug melody. Next, interpersonal or people smart. Ability to understand and interact effectively with others, including empathy, social skills, and communication. So, these type of people are extroverts since they are very used to or very good at or with interacting with other people. So, dili sila maulaw or maayo sila mo create or build og connections with other people. Next, kay intrapersonal or self-smart. It is the ability to understand oneself, including emotions, motivations, and self-awareness. So, meaning, sila pud kay maayo sila mo analyze or kanang maayo sila mo self-reflect especially when kuan kanang especially sa ilang mga kuan bitaw mga kaugalingon maayo sila mo reflect then maputoy lang pamaagi para mo develop or mo grow pud sila. So, naturalist or nature smart. Ability to recognize, categorize, and understand patterns in the natural world, including flora, fauna, and environmental systems. So, kani sila kay mga tawo nga, kuan sila kanang aware sila sa environment or sa ilang kuan sa nature nga nasa ilang or sa ilang palibot. So, meaning, kuan sila kanang na sila deep understanding or knowledge when it comes to plants, animals, and sa environment in general. So, how does how does the theory supports curriculum integration? So, through this theory, instructors can create differentiated activities that utilizes students' different skills. In addition, it also connects various disciplines or subjects by exploring and applying their knowledge and skills. So, dire kani nga theory nindot ni siya para sa katong mga teachers nga kuan ay mga estudyante nga lahi-lahi og skills kay syempre sa isa ka classroom kay naman gyud ay lahi-lahi og skills ng mga bata dili siya kanang one size fits all nga ano bitaw kanang method para ma-assess ang mga estudyante. So, what integration strategy will you use in designing the lesson? So, the integration strategy that I will use would be game-based activities such as charades, Kahoot, or Jeopardy Lab, since it uses more than one type of intelligence and makes learning more fun and interactive for my students. So, here, since nagtackle man og multiple intelligence theory so ang gamiton gyud dapat nga kanang mga activities kay katong mga pag-games or kanang mga classroom activities nga dili lang isa ka area or isa ka type of intelligence ang gamiton para pod katong mga bata nga dili kayo ingon nga linguistic smart or kanang maayo lang sa usa ka area kay kuan gyapon maka-participate o ganahan silang participate pod. Then how the theory can be applied in teaching social studies. So, an example that I can provide is when the lesson is about World War II, so students can have differentiated task role play, timeline, and case analysis for them to utilize their individual abilities and intelligence types. So, here kay gi-emphasize gyud nga dili lang ingon nga dapat one size fit all nga activity but rather kuan gid siya differentiated para pod tanan gyud estudyante sa classroom kay maka-participate og ma-assess og tarong. So that is all for my report and thank you.